Okay, welcome. It is 9:45, February 23rd, 2026, at the height of the blizzard of 26, also known as Snowmageddon. And my basketball hoop just fell over, and I hope it didn't hit my car. Oh no, that's not good. Okay, let's keep going. All right. So, walking out into this madness. Oh my God, snow is blowing from everywhere. Very concerned about this basketball. Lovely. Well, we'll deal with that tomorrow. This is what we're dealing with. That snowdrift was already 5 feet high yesterday, so that'll probably be over the top of the fence today. That fence is 6 foot high. My garage is 10 feet high. Yep. So let's take a little measurement here. Bottom of the driveway. Oops. Oh yeah, almost 19 inches already at 9:45, with several hours to go. Great. As you can see, it's halfway up the side of my vehicle. All right, let's spin this around. Somewhere at the top of my driveway is a road. Start heading up there. You can see the drifts. Now my driveway is on a 30-degree angle, and this is very difficult to walk in. Walking in up to my knees. Yeah, fun stuff. As you can see, the snow is just relentless. The wind is relentless. Yeah, welcome to Snowmageddon 26, everybody. We got a plow. So, yeah, I don't know if you guys can tell, but the wind is just pushing the snow sideways. It's crazy. And that's a 9:45. Several hours to go, so we're easily going to wind up with almost 30 inches. Fun stuff.